Brobbey e de yaw ne yawde abetena eye fache show so ewo oduma show so ewo Kumasi na wode yaw kasa ye nyina ye nim se eye Frank Naro a ono so ka kumawu eyi ne ho wono so twasini na chese Emelia yobia na one eye Naro ya na mo good times Emelia fan se ni nua keto one ne nam na chese vibes ne mu ode na Naro ene mba bi enyantokwa ewo social media so na chese Naro pa chese one Emelia sebe one na deda ba height eyi ni nantem sale chese Emelia onyo bia wo hwe eye Emelia ne fia wanya na sebi wabie na hemo ama Naro ene na da ne se ayonkofo edo omuntem na enipa bebre na agidi eno nam so Emelia Brobbey e de no mekase pa abepie mu e wo fache show so se obi biara wadi ne ho ntro do so po na wabie ne do wa na se wo chi no bebre kase Emelia kire no saa so no wo sire bebre na nipa so nanimu ye fam enti obi biara watwa ntrato no so no edo nyankopon hwie ne nnome engu saa nipa no so bebre na se nnome wedie eye Naro na ekoma ma yakọ fache show so ne enkotie na Emelia eka free ho.
This musician Frank Naro, do you have a problem with him?
I don't want to discuss this.
Really?
Not at all.
But you don't have any problem with him?
I don't want to discuss this at all.
Wow.
Ama, I don't want to discuss this at all. What can I say? What word did you use?
Disgusting.
What word did you use again?
Yes.
I don't want to discuss it.
That's fine.
Do me a huge favor.
That's fine.
Thank you.
Fine. You're welcome. Queen, say unim say because you have to go on site until me person my final word.
My final word I can say. Meda nyame ase. Ebenezer, this is how far odemaba. Bibia menya wo abrabom no enye nyame anka mentimi. And one thing I cherish so much is life.
Yes.
Secondly, me person me da me fans ase.
Okay.
They believe so much in me and they've been by my side from day one. And I want to say thank you to them. Okay. And me person me catch me fans nyina say we are say yes dodo any so they also intercrache. Na me can same way indirectly.
Yeah.
The person or tears your better say.
Okay.
Who we are say na u open o arms ma obia na wo ye nice na sebio nipa adwen ye o say wefo udru baby na wo kire wo Emelia yesi o mpenipa omuwa de o kire no but ebia o pesa wo kra wo ho na sebita frache obi enam na odi ne ntro o ye na ade a because say we bie won semama no na nipa na use you as a yardstick.
Yes.
Na ewiase ye say sebi we fidie so kwasia no say ye de menyonko ye nyeme na ade ba kwa wo wiase nse wo ye ne se wo de entro ebetu obi so. Yes. Knowing it in your mind, in your strength, that is a lie. Me bon pa say obia we didn't try to me so no. God should deal with that person. Yes. That is all I can say. I love everybody. Pacho Emelia me da so active.
One say penny for taka say me say so when the kramai edi agra sebe kramai no water frewa no. Enti we eyesua de I also bia ehwe no so ye no kwase bi gate bebre ene ne nyina mo ye celebrating ti na obi gate ne so open nipo eche ne ye de wa no ebe ye ekwe intro makra